on his back like that. But we're gonna protect those guys. I mean, of course, this wasn't our game today, but we're definitely going to protect our quarterback.
Did you get an adrenaline rush when you saw him step up and take off like the Michael of old?
Oh man, that was big. I was right there. He came to our sideline, and it was just cool to be there, kind of in the mix, not on the field, but just that close to the action.
Throw this game out. Is this team ready?
I would say we're ready, man. I think these next few days, just for guys to kind of get their feet back under them and just get the mental right, I think it's going to pay big next week, man. And we're all excited about going to Carolina and trying to get this W.
Sean, how about you personally? How ready are you, and how prepared and excited are you as we roll up on that Sunday?
Man, it's coming, man. I'm just counting down the days and, just kind of just getting back into this thing. I feel good physically, mentally, and I'm just ready to let it go.
Can we expect to see you out there when that first snap takes place?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Definitely can expect to see me out there and back to my old form, man, and just putting hands on people and moving real estate.
You gonna build some houses out in Carolina?
Man, that's what I plan on doing, man. Of course, it's not all about me, but you asked me a question for me, and that's the best way I can answer it. Just, not sounding self-centered, but I'm just excited to get back and play some ball.
Is this team going to build some houses in Carolina?